Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Donkey Kong Country. First, let's cover the basics. You'll control either Donkey Kong or Diddy Kong, each with unique abilities. Master running, jumping, and rolling to navigate the vibrant levels. Collect 100 bananas for an extra life, and gather the 4 KONG letters in each stage to earn another. Switching between the two Kongs is key to overcoming various challenges. Next, let's talk about dealing with enemies and obstacles. Most foes can be defeated by jumping on their heads or using Donkey Kong's powerful roll attack. Keep an eye out for hidden bonus areas, often marked by subtle clues, which offer extra lives and valuable items. You'll also encounter animal buddies, like Rambi the Rhino, who provide special movement and attack capabilities to help you progress. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques. The team-up throw, where one Kong tosses the other, is crucial for reaching elevated platforms and defeating certain enemies. Many levels contain secret warps that can significantly shorten your journey, allowing for quicker completion times. Thorough exploration is highly rewarded. Search every nook and cranny to uncover all the hidden collectibles and bonus stages. Finally, here are some tips for achieving a high score and mastering the game. Precision is paramount. Practice timing your jumps and attacks to perfection. Don't hesitate to revisit completed levels to discover any missed bonus stages or hidden items. Experiment with both Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong to understand their individual strengths and weaknesses, using them strategically to overcome different challenges.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.